everyone, Final Countdown Gaming here. Welcome to UnderTheory, a new series I have started to make theories on the game Undertale, an RPG game made by Toby. Today we are answering the question on why Photoshop Flowey did not turn into Asriel Dreemurr. Now, this is my first theory, as you may know, because this is brand new. Anyway, because I just started Undertale. But anyway, I've written this all out, and we're just going to get started. For anyone who does not know, Asriel Dreemurr is the son of Asgore and Toriel Dreemurr, the king and queen of the underground. Their son made a friend when a human fell down into the underground. The human died of illness, and Asriel buried him on the surface. The humans thought he killed him, and they attacked. Asriel died, landing into a patch of flowers. Now let's get started. In the background playing is the Asriel Dreemurr boss fight, in case you've never seen it. So let's get started. As anyone who's played this game clearly knows that Asriel has determination based on how determined he is to kill you so that you will stay in the overground. Or the underground, whatever. Now, you may say it's most likely because of the human souls who he absorbed right before the fight starts, making him as powerful as he is now, which you can see in the attack. He is known to have infinite attack and infinite defense, even though, if you look into the game files, it's exactly 9,999. Now, he is more determined than Photoshop Flowey, his other form, and the neutral ending of Undertale, where you still have who also had the human souls. Was Asriel part of Alfie's experiments? Alfie's experiments, for anyone who does not know and is new to the Undertale game, was a dramatic experiment when Alfie, the royal scientist, injected determination into dead monsters. And for anyone who knows basically nothing about Undertale, determination is the ability to live after death. Now, this gets all the more interesting when you can tell it's unlikely. Because Asriel Dreemurr did not melt like Undyne. Because what happened is, at the end of the Undyne fight, when she had determination, she actually melted when you killed her. And at the end of the genocide, which is when you kill all monsters, for anyone who does not know that. But anyway, the only solution is that everything the monsters have told you about the underground is a lie. Monsters have determination. Because if you really look in the game file and do all the Asriel Dreemurr power is equal to the power of 13 human souls. And 13 human souls are, and Asriel right before this absorbs all the monster souls in the whole underground. And including 6 human souls who fell down and died by Asriel's hand. Now, could the determination have something to do with his strength to come back to his original form? Possibly. Asriel was able to become a flower because of his determination, because he was still living as a flower after he died. And it's also that it requires more determination to return to the way he was, knowing that he tried to live past death. Now, also, Alphys clearly knows something about a tiny flower, because, and I quote, Pyrus said, "A tiny flower helped me," end quote. Then, Alphys goes into a complete panic-like situation, so clearly she knows what this flower is. So, kind of leading us to the idea that Asriel may have been part of the experiments that Alphys conducted. Now, how did Asriel receive his determination? Everyone else only has a small bit. Because Asriel has so much determination in this fight, it's crazy. Soon, you will see that a weapon in this fight known as the Hypergon, which is a really creepy figure, but anyway, may have been related to Gaster. Gaster was a real scientist before Alphys. Now, if anyone has no idea what I'm talking about, then I'm sorry. Okay, so here's a Hypergon right here. So as you can see, it's this really crazy weapon that has a extreme resemblance to one weapon Gaster made called the Gaster Blaster. Who's Gaster? That's a time for another theory and another day. Now, of course, as you may notice in this fight, Asriel does not melt like Undyne. So, now, but also, when a monster dies, the soul breaks and scatters. Here's my theory. Could the parts of his soul could they have landed on a flower and made it alive because of his minor determination in him, leaving Flowey with no determination, which could make sense, because every other monster has determination. Yet Flowey has basically none, because he used all of his trying to become alive for a longer period of time. You just look at this, and you can clearly tell there has to be something strange about Flowey being weaker substantially beyond the other monsters. Because at the beginning of the game, one blow from Toriel knocked him away. Just away, gone forever. I mean, it's just, why? Because he's out of determination after that. So, anyway, so I got some more evidence from the dialogue that Asriel says during his fights. At the end of the Photoshop Flowey fight, did you really think you could defeat me? This happens right after you do so much damage to him and put him at the point of death. But then, he has so much determination enough to survive and reload the save file so that he can gain all his health back and be fine. Next. As I said at the beginning of the fight, in case you don't know who these characters are, these are your friends Undyne, all of them that I've been telling you about. Undyne's the one who melted if you kill her in the genocide run, and all these characters anyway have some importance. Okay, a lot of importance. But anyway, as I stated earlier, Papyrus says, quote, "A tiny flower helped me," after being asked what brought everyone here to where everyone met right before the Asriel Dreemurr Fight. And Alphys responds, panic-like, "A tiny flower?" and looks a little bit nervous when you look at her and her expression. Then all the monsters are captured, and then Asriel starts his plan to reset everything, but yet again, at the end of this fight, Asriel saves. So, and yes, I have more. And then here's another quote, "And then you'll lose to me again and again, because you want a happy ending, because you love your friends, because you never give up. It Isn't that delicious? Your determination, the thing that keeps you going, is going to be your downfall. End quote. What this says just completely shows how much determination he has. Literally, you just look, you lose to me again and again. It just shows how determined he is to keep you in the underground, so the story of Undertale will not end. Even though you never give up. It will just happen over and over again. No matter what happens, Asriel will fight so hard to keep you in the underground until the very end, where he just can't do this anymore. He just gives up and the battle ends. According to this final quote I have is Asriel, that just supports what I just said, quote, "Why I'm fighting to keep you around? I'm doing this because you're special, Kara. You're the only one that understands me. You're the only one who's fun to play with anymore. No, that's not just it. I'm doing this because I care about you, Kara. I care about you more than anyone else. I'm not ready for this to end. I'm not ready for you to leave. I am not ready to say goodbye to someone like you again. So please stop and just let me win." And that's how the fight ends. Because Asriel just wants to have Chris or Kara stay in the underground forever. I mean, it's obvious. I mean, what it means, what you mean to Asriel in this fight is crazy. So he's so determined to keep you there, and he doesn't want you to leave. So basically, it all ends when Asriel breaks the barrier, sets all monsters free, and becomes a flower again. So really, in the end, this is most likely going to be over for Asriel. I mean, you look at this, and it's just, he has so much determination, but he won't give up. But since he lost all those souls, his determination is gone, and he may just be a flower forever. So, in case you didn't understand what I said about Asriel, this is basically a visual representation of what happened. This is Asriel on the left, and on the right, Kara. The first human that fell into the underground on the left, and those parents up there are the king and queen of the underground. Please note, in case you are unaware, as a flower, Asriel is unable to feel positive emotion. So he can't love other people or care about other people. All he can feel is hate and terror to other people. That's all he feels as a flower. But now, as you could see through this fight, as I said, why I keep trying to keep you around, as I said earlier, I'm doing this because you're special, Kara. You're the only one who understands me. You're the only one who's any fun to play with anymore. No, that's not just it. I'm doing this because I care about you, Kara. I care about you more than anyone else. I'm not ready for this to end. I'm not ready for you to leave. I'm not ready to say goodbye to someone like you again. So please stop doing this and just let me win. You can clearly tell he cares so much about you. And it just shows his determination. So, to conclude this, the reason Asriel did not become Asriel when he became Photoshop Flowey is because of his determination. He had so much determination in this fight that he achieved his true form thanks to everyone's souls. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. And I'll see you guys next video on UnderTheory.